Welcome to Career Growth. Continuing with our series on education system in various countries, today we will be speaking about Norway. I hope you have been able to go through the earlier episodes on the two countries that we have covered. Today, Norway is the country that we will be discussing. Norway is a Scandinavian country encompassing mountains, glaciers, and deep coastal fjords. Oslo, the capital, is a city of green spaces and museums. The country shares a long eastern border with Sweden. Norway is also bordered by Finland and Russia to the northeast and Skagerrak Strait to the south, with Denmark to the other side. Interesting, isn't it? The climate in Norway. Winters are relatively moderate and snowy with little snow and frost. Summer in Norway is in the months of June and July. Weather in Norway is the best between May and September when it's usually mild and clear. Let's understand the education system. The education system in Norway is based on the principle that everyone should be able to get education regardless of their social background. Generally, the education system is divided into primary school, lower secondary school, upper secondary school, and higher education. When we are talking about higher education, there are a range of almost 7 universities with 5 specialized colleges and 25 university colleges, as well as a range of private universities which offer higher education. The education system follows the Bologna process, which involves the bachelor's, which is 3 years, and master's for a duration of 2 years. To understand the application process, we need to know that it is important to meet the Norwegian language requirement and the basic requirement for admission, and demonstrate that you can speak in English by taking either the IELTS or the TOEFL examination. A good GMAT or a GRE score is required for master's courses by some of the universities, so start focusing on the same. Additionally, you will also need to submit documents like your personal statement, your academic transcripts, resume, and letters of recommendation. Coming to the expenses and fees, a good news would be in Norway, all public universities are tuition free for all international students, regardless of their nationality. This means that unlike other European countries, students can benefit from free or lower fees in Norway universities. However, some programs or courses may charge fees, such as those which are related to management and business, but only in a few schools and universities. Remember that the living costs in Norway are pretty high. You may also have to pay a mandatory tax called the student union fee each semester, which ranges from 32 to 64 euros. The student union fee entitles you to the right to take exams, and it also provides you several benefits such as discounts for public transportation, museums, cultural events, and access to sports facilities. Coming to the private universities, most private institutions in Norway charge some amount of tuition fees to both Norwegian and international students. The average tuition fee ranges between approximately 8,000 to 9,500 euros a year. There are scholarships available if you are looking at, but if you are enrolled in a private university in Norway that charges tuition fees, you can apply for a scholarship. Additionally, several scholarships and funding options are meant to cover your living expenses. Annually, public and private universities and various Norway organizations offer scholarships and grants which are announced weekly usually, so keep a watch on the same. Coming to the job prospects, to earn some extra pocket money, students are allowed to work. If you're granted a study permit, you can also work up to 20 hours a week while you are studying and a full-time day during holidays. But ensure that you're not working more than 20 hours because it may have serious consequences. International students may stay in Norway for until a year after graduating from Norwegian university or a college in order to look for work. While doing so, beware that you must apply for residence permit as a job seeker before your current permit expires and after completing your degree. Some of the most popular cities that students go to study are Oslo, Bergen, Tromsø, Trondheim, and Kristiansand. One of the important aspects while applying to this country is that As an international student, you should adhere to the international deadlines that are available so that your applications are well considered. I hope you've got enough information about this destination. Try exploring it and be prepared to explore new while subscribing to our channel Career Growth.